Hello, my lovely friends. Today we're going to play together. Today we're going to learn more about contractions. Contraction is the process of becoming smaller, and to have contractions in words, it means we're having two words, combining them together by removing a few letters, maybe one letter or two, and adding an apostrophe instead. Here are the words that we're going to discuss today in the lemon, melon, and honeydew groups. Hello Uni, hello Footy, welcome aboard. Are you ready to play the game with us?
Hello, Ola. Oh, I think it's too easy. And as usual, no one can beat me.
Hello Ola, I'm always excited to be around Year 1 pupils. Did not.
Didn't.
Will not.
Won't.
Do not.
Don't.
Is not.
Isn't.
Cannot.
Can't.
Well, that was pretty exciting. Now, are you ready, Year 1 pupils, to come and play along? Now the words are that is. How can we make a contraction? Next is they are. We are. She is.
He is.
I am. It is. Oh, that was great. All Year 1 pupils, I expect you to study hard because we're having a competition very soon. Are you ready?
If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.